Hi friends, welcome to Ashia Vlogs and Crafts. Today we are going to listen to Tirukoshtiur. This is Chuttu. Tirukoshtiur is one of the 108 Divya Desams in Sivagangai district near Tirupattur, Karaikudi. The legend behind the temple is that during Krita Yoga, rishis, devas and other innocent people were tortured by the Asura Hiranyakasipu as the vengeance for Hiranyaksha's death in the hands of Lord Vishnu in the form of Varaha Avadar. Devas rishis approached Brahma and Shiva to save them. Brahma, Shiva, all Devas, Sapta rishis decided to meet at one place to discuss a solution. They all assembled at Tirukotiur as they came in a group and hence Tirukostiur. Kosti means a group of or a team. On entering the temple is the Tirumamani Mandapam, where the sanctum of Lord Shiva is situated and is known as Sarabeshwarar. He is said to be Shuyambhu on his own. The shrine for Sri Narayana is constructed in the form of three stages or three tiers. This signifies as Bhulogam, earth, Tiruparkadal, and Vaikundam Narayana appears in three stages in three forms as an Indran. Standing posture, Kidandan. Sleeping posture, Ardinan, dancing posture. In ground floor, you can see him as Krishna in dancing posture. Next level, after climbing a few stairs, is the main sanctum, and you can see Sri Narayana as in a Sayana Tirukolam resting on the Adishesha and is called as Uraga Melainayan. And top tier, you can see him in a standing posture as Sri Saumya Narayana Perumal. Another interesting historical fact is the relationship between Sri Ramanuja and Tirukostiur. Ramanuja was advised by Tirukachi Nambigal to visit Tirukostiur and learn the Aktashara 8-letter hymn mantra for them from Tirukostiur Nambigal. Nambigal had asked Ramanuja to keep the mantra to himself. But Ramanuja felt that sharing this mantra with the public as it should be useful to all of them. He went straight to the temple of Saumya Narayana Perumal and stood on the huge walls and he loudly pronounced the Attakshara Mantram. Selva Nambi got angry on Sri Ramanuja since he has broken his promise. He called Sri Ramanuja and said that having broken the promise and as a result he will be going to the hell. Ramanuja replied that it was his great fortune in showing the path and guiding people to heaven, and he would not mind going to hell for this act. These words affected Nambigal to the extent he just prostrated towards Ramanuja and called him as Emperor Human. We can find two separate statues that is made of bronze for Tirukostiur Nambi and Sri Ramanujar in this temple. The Mulavar of this sthalam is Sri Uraga Melanayan. Mulavar is in Kidanta, sleeping Tirkolam, and in Bujanga, Sayanam, facing the east. Pratyaksham for Kadamba, Maharishi, and Indran. The Tayar in this thalam is Tirumagal Nachiyar and has a separate Sanidhi. Festival and beliefs. Every year, millions of people assemble at Tirukostiur for the temple float, Tepochuam, event during the Tamil month of Masi, Maga, mid-March. It is believed that one who takes the sacred lamp from the Teppam and wraps it in a yellow cloth and worships the lamp at their homes is blessed with the boon they seek, especially those wanting a child or marriage. Once the wishes get fulfilled, the devotee returns to the temple with the lamp and leave additional lamps as per their wish. Mangala Sasanams. The temple is referred by the verses of Tirumangai Alvar, Namalvar, Periyalvar, Bhudathalvar, Periyalvar, and Tirumangai Saivar. Tirumasi Saivar. Temple location. It is situated 28 kilometers north of Sivagangai railway station and 23 kilometers west of Karaikudi junction. Buses are available from Karaikudi, Tirupattur, Sivagangai, Madurai, Trichy. These are local buses and autos from Tirupattur to which is just 6 kilometers away. Temple timings is normally open from 7 to 12:30 p.m. and 4:30 to 8:30. How to reach? Tirukostur is situated on the main road between Sivagangai and Tirupattur. Station at Karaikudi and visit many heritage temples in the surrounding area within 20 kilometers radius. Okay, that's all. Like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க. Thank you friends. Bye bye.